Hello students, my name is Vaishali and on behalf of Creative Edge, I welcome you all. Today the video is going to be important for students who are planning to pursue their degree in the field of design, as we would be discussing about how to prepare for NID, NIFT and UCEED. Let's understand what is NID and NIFT first. NID, National Institute of Design, is the name of the college that conducts a common entrance exam for admission into its 5 campuses. NIFT, National Institute of Fashion Technology, is again a name of the college that conducts a common entrance exam for admission into its 17 campus across the India. NID and NIFT का syllabus same होता है. The only difference is with the paper pattern. NID and NIFT में 2 rounds होते हैं. First round comprising creative ability and general ability. Now how to prepare for creative ability? या क्या questions आते हैं creative ability में? क्रिएटिव एबिलिटी में क्वेश्चंस आते हैं मेमोरी ड्राइंग पे, सीन क्रिएशंस, कलर थ्योरी, सीक्वेंस ड्राइंग. नाउ व्हाट इज जनरल एबिलिटी? जनरल एबिलिटी कंप्राइजेस मल्टीपल सब्जेक्ट्स: इंग्लिश, जीके, मैथ्स, एप्टीट्यूड. नाउ टू थरो विद दिस प्रिपरेशन यू शुड रिफर टू द मॉक टेस्ट. लास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स देखिए, एक प्रॉपर स्ट्रैटेजी प्लान कीजिए. Now, if I talk about UCEED, Undergraduate Common Entrance Exam for Design, ये एक entrance exam का नाम है. That is conducted by IIT Bombay for admission into its 5 IIT campus: IIT Bombay, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Guwahati, Triple ITDM Jabalpur, and this year we have got IIT Delhi. UCEED, NID and NIFT तीनों different है. UCEED का पेपर पैटर्न NID and NIFT से टोटली अलग होता है. You have got only one question of drawing in the paper of UCEED. Rest पूरा पेपर पिक्टोरियल डिजाइन एप्टीट्यूड पे बेस्ड है. Because the paper is conducted by IIT Bombay, level of difficulty NID and NIFT से थोड़ा हाई है and पेपर पैटर्न थोड़ा टेक्निकल है. इसके लिए आपको अपना एप्टीट्यूड स्ट्रॉन्ग रखना पड़ेगा. क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को ही प्रैक्टिस करें, reliable resources को refer करें. If you are satisfied with the video and you want more information on the same, you can join the new upcoming batch of Creative Edge. We prepare for various design and architecture exams. For more details, contact to the below details on your screen. Thank you.